To migrate to or from LiveAgent, you need to generate API v3 key and find API v1 key. This way, you can connect it to Migration Wizard. Here's how to find both API keys in LiveAgent. First, log into your LiveAgent account. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Configuration. Open up Systems and choose API. This step leads you to a new window where you can generate API v3 key and find API v1 key. First, create API v3 key. To do so, click on Add API Key. In a pop-up, fill in name and select All Privileges. You can set up an expiration date time and whitelist too. Then press on Create and copy the API key. The next step is to find API v1 key. In the right corner of your screen, click on Set Tianges for API v1. There, copy the API key. Now you can set off your migration from or to LiveAgent.